Wagwan, big man. I brought y'all along because I wanted y'all to be a part of this process. This is a very special day. 2025, I'm finna take my life more seriously and invest in myself. So what did I get? I got me a little speaker box. It's gonna be my start, the beginning of my entertainment career. Cause I have another speaker and it's just not loud enough. It's just not loud enough, but this hopefully is loud enough. All right, let's connect. Oh, that mug loud. And it connects fast. I ain't gonna lie, I've been on men's a lot lately. Yo, this mug loud. Oh, I want y'all to see this. The lights. This mug is dope, yo. Oh. Oh yeah, this gonna get this stuff is halfway up. It's not all the way up, y'all. Y'all, I'm excited. Y'all, I'm finna really be on my DJing shit for real. Putting y'all on vibes, putting on all that. I don't know. Yeah, yo. I'm so happy right now. I finally have a speaker that's loud enough. Yeah, to 2025, invest in yourself. I just got me a speaker. I'm really trying to start doing little events here and there and then go on to the next speaker and just see where it takes me, man. I'm gonna start creating more music. Byron put me on this song and I'm putting y'all on this song. I don't know what I want to do with the box. I'm gonna keep this. This my jingle. Hold me down. Going down. Woo. Hey, I'm gonna check in with y'all later. I'm gonna enjoy the vibes. Thank y'all for coming along to help me unbox the Party Box Club 120. I think it's the beginning of something very big. To God be the glory. You know what I mean? Sam, I'm out.